Let's review Warren Farm at Brean. This is the main entrance as you come in. You can see the reception is on the left. And this campsite, I cannot explain how big it is. It is absolutely huge, as you can see by the map. As you come in past reception, on the left you've got a shop, cafe and takeaway. You have then got a play barn for all different ages, grab machines, and then come through here, and again it's massive. 2p machines, all the arcade machines, a bowling alley. You've got soft play over there on the left for the smaller children. Again, you can see the amount of machines in here, air hockey. You've then got pool tables in there. Just outside the campsite to the left, you have got a caravan accessory shop. It's got loads of little goodies for your accessory needs, from chairs to barbecues to hoses. And then you've also got an ice cream parlour, and wow, this was amazing. There's so many different flavours, and for someone like myself who is dairy intolerant, again they had so many different flavours that I was able to choose from, which I don't normally get them options. You can see all the different flavours, and on the right are all the vegan flavours. These are the normal flavours, and again here's your vegan dairy free options. Even had ice creams for the doggies, and as you can see they absolutely loved their mint flavour ice cream, living their best lives. Then next to this you have the Beachcomber bar and restaurant, open from 12 daily. So as we go round the site, on the right here you will see all the seasonal pictures, and on the left you've got a field which is no dogs allowed. And as we continue up here, these are all seasonal pictures, straight ahead, all seasonal. And then as we come into this field, field 5, that's the field we're staying on. So this one is a mixture of grass and hard standing pitches, which allows dogs. So as you come around here, you can see I've got grass pitches on the right, and then hard standing are all in the middle. And as we come around the side, so on the left hand side, all the way down the middle there is children's play area. And then we are parked up on the right hand side here. So as we go further round field 5, so you can see plenty of hard standing pitches. They're all in the centre, and then all the grass pitches are around the outside. So this is the first site I've seen where it actually has disabled pitches as well. You'll see the markings on the floor for the disabled bays, and they just look like a bigger pitch all round. And then we have the toilet block on the left here. So as we enter the toilet block, you've got shower cubicles on the right, and then on the left hand side you've got wash basin cubicles. And then round here you've got plenty of sinks and plenty of toilet cubicles. And then round the other side you've got the gents and the dishwashing and laundry area. Again, plenty of sinks for dishwashing, and there was 3 washing machines, 3 tumble dryers and some more sinks. Then on the outside you've got the motorhome service point, chemical waste and plenty of bins. As we continue a bit further in, more disabled bays, more grass pitches. Like I said, this field is just one of the fields that they have, and it's just enormous. As we leave this field, we head over a little bridge, and you have the fishing lakes all on the right hand side. Here we have another children's play area. You've got football pitches, and then to the far right you've got a bigger play area. As we enter another area of the campsite, these are ensuite pitches, so you can see the little huts opposite each pitch. These are bathrooms for each pitch. As more on the right, and a few little ornaments there. As we enter into another field, this is an all grass field. Dogs are allowed on the right hand side and no dogs are allowed on the left hand side. Just on the outside is a fish bar and Chinese restaurant, and the Chinese we had was absolutely amazing. Next to the Chinese you have the Brean Down Inn. We had a couple of drinks here yesterday. It has got an outdoor covered seating area and then an outdoor seating area also. Just a bit further down the road from the pub you've got another shop. This one's called Bunny's Supermarket. Again, has everything for all your essential needs. Straight over the road from the main entrance you've got this little path that leads to the beach. As you go up over the hill and then you enter the beach, and wow, what a beach. Just goes on for absolutely ages and the sand is so soft. And as you can see, the dogs are absolutely loving it. Archie had a little mad moment and he was just running around, come back and they're absolutely shattered. Lovely beach.